pollute the place with all of them waste. Me no want little bug round me. Them a pollute the place with all of them waste. Me no want little bug.
Cherry, oh baby, can't you see I'm in love with you? This is the land of my birth. I said this is the land of my birth. I said this is Jamaica, my Jamaica, the land of my birth.
Ooh, chiquitito, yes, chiquitito, for me, chiquitito, love me, chiquitito.
What Jamaican men think of Jamaican women.
Jamaican woman, a sugar and salt. Some of them a chinal and we make you ball. Jamaican woman, a sugar and salt. Some of them a chinal and we make you ball. But we no care what nobody say. Jamaican woman, I'll lead the way. Them always stand out in any crowd. And everywhere them go, them is very proud. Them understand them Jamaican man. And most of all them have ambition. So tell it to the American and English man. Jamaican woman is number one.
Three things that annoy Jamaicans.
Mr. Blake, suppose when them come and them sit down over there, and suppose the chair, suppose your nose was a doorpost, where would you put the hinges? Well, alright, I guess me not have to really worry about that still, because sometimes the chair, them when you put them down, you know, them scatter, especially the plastic one, them, you know, because them not so sturdy, but you see the metal one, them, oh, you can chat, sir. Nah, man, you can't chat, you chat too much, man. Tell me something, you swallow radio? No, man, Mr. Blake, man, you do me body. You know, me want to find out too, why 450 guests we have instead of 400? Why this, why that, why this, why? Because it have a long tail. Mr. Blake, you know, easy, you know, sure. Yeah. Different Jamaican hand movements and their meanings, okay? Yes, no, Spanish town, mama gonna beat you with her doodles. Me don't talk. Kuya, but anybody see me die in trial? You know, say I fool them take me for. Come here, make a clout you. No, well, what really happened, you see? But him true, cause what it? Nothing much. Just chilling, taking an odd life easy, just relaxing, passing time. Is that so? Me catch you know. Okay, good. Let me tell you this, no, me need to do something else. You not pass your place with me today, you know. You not pass your place with me today. Jesus, take the case and give me the pillow. Yeah. Where? Come here, let me tell you something. Come here. Girl, if me ever tell you what. Oi. Hello.
When other people almost choke.
Ooh. A little accident there.
When a Jamaican almost chokes.
Look how much go down in my wrong throat. Somebody come lick me back. Me a dead. Hey, me a dark. Father, forgive me for all that I've done. I'm sorry, Lord. Help! Look how much me go home, go meet the maker. Lord is my shepherd, I shall not want. He maketh me to lie down in green pasture. Them can try, but Obia not catch me today. Bring little smelling salt there. Cold sweater wash me. Wanna clear me ear pipe.
Common illnesses that Jamaicans have a different meaning for.
Your ears a ring? Somebody a call your name. You give back Miss Donnet her money? I could have she a walk and tell people say you owe her money, you know. She not good somebody, but I never borrow money from she. Somebody a bad mind you. Which part your husband there? No, my dear, that the sneeze they don't sound normal. You need to call your husband and find out which part in there. Him and that girl still talking? No, I a twitch so. I a twitch, oh lord. A problem that you know. Which one, the left or the right? If I the left eye, something bad go happen. You go cry. Nobody gonna know what this evening, my dear. Or you go see somebody where you know see for a long while. If I the right one, me not sure, but it still not sound good to me at all. And me gonna crutch me. Your hand me gonna crutch you? You go win money, me girl. You must remember me when you're rich, you know, don't be like some people and change. Other people will shy away from a word if them don't know how to pronounce it. But you see, Jamaicans, we no partial. When it come on to word, we pronounce that. Cause nobody know more than we.
Why you think it make you look better though?
Because you have a bright, not as if I don't like black, but you know, entire skin little lighter, it just look little beautiful more like you.
What you find it do to you now?
Boy, I may use it till it can't do nothing for me now. Right now, a doctor may have to go. You know how much money it costs more there? For buy, I forgot one jinxing something the doctor prescribe.
Why you go doctor? What happened?
My face just black. You know, say black man, I'm not that black. See there? See the cameraman is a brown girl and the bleaching to my face. This is the difference from my face and my body. I do it so.
What the doctor said?
The doctor said I must stop bleach because I'm pregnant leaving.
When others tell you they were moved to tears.
It was ghastly. I was moved to tears, huh?
When Jamaicans tell you they were moved to tears.
Me never seen nothing so yet. And to how it hurt me. Water come and me yah.
How others tell you they are ticklish.
Oh no, I'm ticklish. Stop it. No, I'm...
How Jamaicans tell you they are ticklish.
Don't tickle me. Stop. Hey, I'm afraid of my side. No, I'm afraid of my foot bottom. Put your finger under my arm again and you'll see what happened to you. Hey boy, me thump you on your back, you know. Yo, vanquish. I'm afraid of my neck. Me don't like it. No, I'm afraid of my belly. I'm afraid of my back. I'm afraid of my hand. Touch me again and see if I don't seal this in your head, me go. Yes, I may have a very bad temper. I'm working through it, you know, just trying to be a better person. Hey, me a mad somebody, you know. You see when all my mad take me thump down a boy. Done in career. How you mean? Ask anybody about me. Me not ramp with people. Oh, I mean him bullbuck and dope pick Ankara. Oh, that's enough. Good stuff. Alright. Don't worry yourself, Miss Margaret. Me have the socks them round the back and soak underneath the blue bomber. Cancel back again, you took it time. You just cancel back if you never nothing. Miss Margaret, oi! Oh, she must have gone to work already. So back. Good morning. Are you from Jamaica? Yeah, man. How you know? Well, we all saw you coming up the street.
Marshall in town, tell them beware Marshall in town, tell them prepare Marshall in town. When the smoke clear, they will be gone. I will be there, this is the Marshall sound. Watch how you talk, this is the Marshall sound. Watch where you want, this is the Marshall sound. We not skyline.
Oh, yeah. Chama, don't do me like that. Oh, it's okay. Yo, me can't believe it's July already. July already, you know? Ooh, me can't believe I saw the sun hot. You know, so I can't believe I'm dead. You can't believe that Christmas come already? Lord of His mercy, as your quintet reach. Lord of mercy, I can't believe how the place so cold. How the place so cold. You can't believe that she not give me back the money when she borrowed from me all no. Can't believe you lost the whole of the money down a market. Or you feel lose the money. I can't believe say them divorce. I can't believe say so night come down quick. I mean not even get for the half of the something them I want to do. I can't believe you go to Coney Park and not tell me. I can't believe say I saw the bank full. Look on the line. Oh, I'm fine. Thanks for asking. I'm good. Okay, well, I'm just giving thanks, you know? Just taking an odd life easy. Just eating up good food and giving thanks and everything. Yeah, I want you to know something there, you know? Yeah, man. Oh, the Father God don't bless me same way. Yeah, man. Cause to get a hit, you have to fit, you know? Fighting the good fight.
Human body parts that exist only in Jamaica.
Hand me go. Hand back. Yai teeth. Foot. Hand. Shank. Toe pint. foot bottom, knee cup, my morning. Well, look up in my morning for jaw corner, mole, nose hole, heart string, belly bottom, craw. Now search my cranny empty. Constitution, neck string, neck back, short ribs. Okay, man, 9 short ribs.
Dede boya boya boya, dede boya boya wo. Dede boya boya boya, dede boya wo. Dede boya boya boya, dede wo. Dede boya we.
They say Jamaicans are always making up their own words. You know, sir, I chew them attack. Watch that style, yeah.
Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Zungo zungo go zungo zen. Hey, go shumpen, go shumpen. Hey, go shum.
Pull up that. Stop it. Calm down. Them have a next thing now. Them say Jamaicans reason things simple. We not complicate things. It come in like with logical. Hear what me mean.
Say if you have a paper, you must have a pen. And if you have a start, you must have a end. Say 5 plus 5, it equal to 10. And if you have both, you put them in a pen. And if you have a rooster, you must have a hen now.
Then now the people them want to know how Jamaican men get such decent and upstanding women into their life. Make I tell you.
True, arguments I have enough arguments, Lord. Arguments I have enough arguments.